Our packaging has been updated with beautiful tissue paper and other exciting details I can't wait to show you guys in this video. Hi guys, welcome to the Electric Project, where we become the best versions of ourselves and our businesses. My name is Sophia and I'm the founder of Electric Jewelry. You guys seem to love my previous video on how to pack and ship online orders so much that I decided to do an updated version. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, click here because I share some very valuable tips on how to pack and ship national and international orders. In the meantime, our packaging has been updated with beautiful tissue paper and other exciting details I can't wait to show you guys in this video. All links are put in the description box, so if you want to buy and try something yourself, go to the description box where you will find every item seen in this video linked below. The tissue paper that we use currently and which you will see in this video is from NOISSUE. I love it so much because it's sustainable tissue paper, and the best thing of it all is that it is delivered in 3 weeks and free shipping worldwide. No matter where you're from, shipping is free. And for packages like these, for tissue paper, card boxes, or mailers, shipping can get pretty high, so the fact that they offer free shipping for all these orders is just amazing. I love this tissue paper so much. You can put any design on it, your own design. We've put "You Are Electric" because it fits our brand story very well. It's just plain and minimalistic. I'm excited to show how we turn our orders into little art pieces. Now let's get into the video where I show you how we pack and ship orders for Electric Jewelry. Hi guys! I'm going to show you how I wrap up our orders for Electric Jewelry with this beautiful tissue paper from NOISSUE. First, I've put everything around me what I need to pack this order. The tissue paper is inside out, so this is the inside. The outside is much more colored. So what I use to pack the orders are the tissue paper. We have an A6 card here. We have a little card that says how to care for your jewelry. Then we have the jewelry box. We have a little poly bag to put the jewelry in, and then we have this sticker with our logo on it. This is an embossed or embossed, I should say, sticker. And we have the envelope. We put the orders in. Normally we ship a lot of inside of the Netherlands, so therefore we use an envelope, but if we have international orders, we use a little carton box. I will put all the items in the description box, so if you need anything yourself, go to the link in the description box so you can order it and use it yourself. So, how I wrap up our orders in this beautiful tissue paper. First, we take the A6 card. We place it like this. The jewelry for this beautiful order are these cubic zirconia hoop earrings. I'm going to put these in this little poly bag. Then we have our custom jewelry boxes. Then you put these how to care for your jewelry in there as well, so people know how to treat their jewelry. So we have it like this. So after you have wrapped up your package in tissue paper, you will have to put it in the envelope. Make sure you have an envelope that fits your little package precisely. And here we print the label with the address on it. And normally we just use post stamps for international and national. But if the orders are a little bit more of a high value, we don't use post stamps, but rather we go with DHL, and then we print the label and put it here. So that's how we pack our orders for electric jewelry. Hopefully this video got you inspired to turn your online orders into little art pieces as well. It's always good to exceed your customers' expectations with little details like this. Don't forget that everything is linked in the description box below. And put a thumbs up to help me grow my channel and spread the knowledge. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!